Here are 3 chords that you're definitely going to want to learn as a metal guitarist. So all of these are based off of this bar chord position off of the 5th string. So I'm just going to go to the 5th fret just for an example. It works the same everywhere. And I'm just going to bar all of these strings on the 5th fret. And the first one is going to be just that normal minor chord that we probably all know. So I want my middle finger on the 6th fret of the 2nd string, and then my pinky and my ring finger on the 7th fret of the 5th and 6th string. So let's make it a minor 7th. All I have to do is pick up my pinky. Now it's a minor 7th. Let's make it a minor 7th add 9. So I want to take my middle finger, and I still want to be pushing down on the 4th and 5th strings of the 7th fret, but now I want to use my middle finger and my ring finger so I can put my pinky on the 8th fret of that smallest string. And now that's a minor 7th add 9. So the last chord is going to be a suspended 2nd chord. So if we go back to that first minor chord, all I need to do is pick up my middle finger and play all the notes.